How to set up Google Play Store on Chromebook. Did you know your Chromebook can run millions of Android apps, games, streaming services, and productivity tools through the Google Play Store? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to set up Google Play Store on your Chromebook step by step, so you can start downloading Android apps in just a few minutes. Before we get into the setup, here is one important thing to confirm first. Not all Chromebooks support Google Play Store. Most modern Chromebooks have it built in, but some older models and certain school or workplace managed devices may not support it. The quickest way to check is to click the time in the bottom right corner of your screen, open Settings, and look for the Apps section in the left-hand menu. If you see a Google Play Store option there, your device supports it, and you are good to go. If the option does not exist at all, your Chromebook does not support Android apps and there is no workaround available. Now let us set it up. Step 1. Update your Chrome OS. Before enabling the Play Store, make sure your Chromebook is running the latest version of Chrome OS. Click the time in the bottom right, open Settings, scroll down to About Chrome OS and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your Chromebook before proceeding. Step 2. Open Settings and go to Apps. Click the time in the bottom right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings and select Apps from the left-hand side menu. Step 3. Enable Google Play Store. Inside Apps, click on Google Play Store. You will see an option that says Install apps and games from Google Play on your Chromebook with a Turn On button next to it. Click Turn On. Step 4. Accept the Terms of Service. A Google Play Terms of Service window will appear, read through it and click Agree to continue. Chrome OS will now set up the Google Play Store in the background and add the Play Store icon to your app launcher. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 5. Open the Play Store and sign in. Once setup is complete, click the Play Store icon in your app launcher at the bottom of the screen. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. You will now have full access to the Google Play Store with millions of Android apps, games, books, and more available to download directly on your Chromebook. Step 6. Download your first app. Use the search bar at the top of the Play Store to find the app you want. Tap Install and the app will download and install on your Chromebook just like it would on an Android phone or tablet. Once installed, you will find the app in your Chromebook app launcher. One important thing to note. If you are using a school or workplace managed Chromebook, and the Google Play Store option is missing from your settings, your administrator has disabled it. You will need to contact your school IT department or workplace administrator to enable it on your device as it cannot be turned on manually on managed devices. Now here is your pro tip. After setting up the Play Store, go back to Settings, click Apps, then click on Google Play Store and select Manage Android Preferences. From here, turn on Backup My Data. This automatically backs up your installed Android apps and their data to your Google account, so if you ever switch to a new Chromebook, all your Android apps and their data will restore automatically without you having to set everything up from scratch again. So to recap, check that your Chromebook supports the Play Store in Settings under Apps. Update Chrome OS, go to Apps, then Google Play Store. Click Turn On, accept the Terms of Service, sign in, and start downloading apps. That is all it takes. If this video helped you get the Play Store running on your Chromebook, hit the like button and subscribe for more Chromebook guides. And drop a comment below telling me which Android app you installed first. See you in the next one.